Welcome in Wukong game. Now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable enemies' health bars in this game. So firstly, of course, you should open settings, and to open settings you should click on escape button. Afterwards find your settings in the top panel of your screen, and here you have this pretty left panel. In the left panel choose gameplay or just click on the gear icon, then scroll very down and find here enemy health bars. You can enable it or disable both boss health bars. You can enable it or disable too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.